My name's Doidge. I'm the FM Maintenance Manager for PizzaExpress, a brand that's got over 350 pizza restaurants. We have one piece of equipment in our cook line, which is our electric oven. The reason why we're here today in this restaurant is because the oven behind me has done over 30 years of service. This oven has lasted 30 years because everything's fallen into place. Everyone's done the right things. PizzaExpress has been going for 60 plus years, and the majority of that time, if not all the time, we've used Sveba Dahlen ovens. They're designed for us and they seem to last the test of time. Second is the placement of this piece of equipment. So it's got lots of fresh air into it, it's got a decent extract so it can breathe and we're not hampering its performance. We work with Jestic, who supply the oven and also did the reactive service works on the oven. We've also moved over to a company called R&S now, who've picked up with Jestic and work with our ovens and do all the reactive work. The PizzaExpress team are looking after it. They're cleaning it every morning, sweeping it out, doing the right maintenance checks. And we also have a PPM regime that we put in every year or every 2 years, where there's over 300 checks on the decks and ensure it's running efficiently from the power to the actual mechanics of the oven. It's very well saying that this oven has lasted 30 years, but if you're pumping money into it like Trigger's broom and replacing every part, actually it's not viable. However, this oven, we do a small amount of maintenance on it every year and it's still ticking along. And that's why this is such a good news story and a win for everyone involved. It's the right product from Sveba, it's been looked after by the right people, Jestic, R&S. It's in the right position, and also the PizzaExpress team on the ground who are looking after it. A final note, it is vitally important that you all come down to Colchester and test out the oven and order lots of pizza.